morning. It's early as poop. Good morning. Today is going to be a great long day. The weather is not that great, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, my makeup looks good, but my lazy eye is really being stupid because I wish I can get this fixed and not have to worry about it anymore. And this person is having a yard sale. And it's raining. Whatever. But, so, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to Steph's graduation, then we're going to the beach later. Well, not like the beach, but like to their condo. So excited! Let's have it a great, positive achievement day, I guess. Like, look at my lazy eye right now. Like, it's nasty. Ugh. Insecurities at its finest. Yay.
In front of her.
I know. And everyone keeps walking in front of her. I know. Everyone's taller than her.
But to our entire university family. The graduation festivities of these past few days have required considerable planning and organization.
Because I'm bored. Thank the Lord. Let's go. Oh my God. I'm bored.
Well, you have to take pictures for me and send them to me.
I will.
The phone's dead. If I get to the car, I can get my battery.
Yeah. You don't have a camera, or you just have your phone?
Bring the camera. What if he's got time to run back to the car?
I think he has plenty of time. You never know.
She's not next, but now they're next.
Stephanie Benegia,
Woo!
Crystal Davenport, Jerry Ann Zimmery,
Hey, don't fall, Steph.
Lee Nicola, Andrea Dennison, Rena Desai,
Josie. Hi.
I thought it was really easy last time.
Hi.
I went from the other side and I'm like, man, this is really
Don't
easy.
you love me?
This is really tough.
Oh, you don't love me anymore? Alright, I see how it is. No. But the parrot. With the parrot and the pirate. So
Are you recording?
yeah.
Actually, if I go down there, I can do the handspring.
Like round up handspring?
Maybe.
Want me to spot you for a handspring or no?
If I go down there by the water, I know I can do it. It's harder.
True. Do you want to go down there?
Sure.
Okay. Woo! The water is so nice. It's gorgeous. It's gorge. It's really foggy out. That's why I really can't see, guys. Yeah. La 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 la. Switch. Trying to do a cartwheel while I'm recording myself. No. Regular. Yay!
We grew up in the gym together. We've done everything together.
Ugh. Is your friend tired? Good night.
Too bad she's underage. Just saying.
Good night, y'all.